For 40 years, we've been told the planet is overheating, that carbon dioxide is a dangerous pollutant, and that only radical policies can save us. But what if the entire foundation of modern climate science rests on a mathematical error? A new peer-reviewed analysis shows that the global temperature used by the IPCC isn't actually a physical quantity at all. In thermodynamics, temperature is an intensive variable. That means you cannot average it across a chaotic, non-equilibrium system like Earth's atmosphere and oceans. There is no law of physics that says how to compute a global temperature. Different methods give different answers, and none are privileged by physics. And because global temperature cannot be defined, every derivative of it, warming rates, climate sensitivity, carbon budgets, has no physical meaning. Climate models are tuned to a number that thermodynamics says doesn't exist. This is why model predictions fail again and again. Meanwhile, biology tells a totally different story. CO₂ is not a pollutant. It is the foundation of life on Earth. Hundreds of controlled studies show that every 100 ppm of CO₂ boosts plant growth by 25 to 50%. NASA's satellites reveal a dramatic greening of the planet, an 18% increase in leaf area since 1980. Corals grow faster at higher CO₂ levels. Greenhouses pump CO₂ to 1,500 bipolar pm because plants thrive at those levels. Human health improves in warmer climates too. Cold kills 20 times more people than heat. The heat-trapping greenhouse metaphor misrepresents how the atmosphere works. A real greenhouse warms by stopping convection. But Earth's atmosphere does the opposite. It moves heat upward violently through convection and water vapor. Water vapor drives 75 to 85% of atmospheric warming. CO₂ plays a minor role. And despite the headlines, extreme weather has not gotten worse. Hurricanes show no upward trend. Wildfire area has dropped sharply over the past century. Climate-related deaths have fallen by 98% since 1920. When you combine thermodynamics, atmospheric physics, and biological science, a clear picture emerges. CO₂ is restoring the biosphere, the atmosphere does not behave like a greenhouse, and the metric used to sell climate catastrophe is mathematically undefined. It's time to rethink climate science from first principles, using real thermodynamics, real biology, and real data. The future of energy, food, and human flourishing depends on getting this right. If you want more evidence-based analysis, free of politics and driven by physics, subscribe, share this video, and join the conversation below. The truth matters, and it's time we talk about it.